Hi, welcome to my content creation journey. I am teacher Patrick. So today we're talking about my journey as a content creation for the past 6 to 8 years. Okay, so for those of you who have been thinking, how am I going to create content? How am I going to create content? What am I going to do so that people will be? How am I going to do so I can have followers? So people can listen to my content, people can comment about my content. It's not going to be an easy journey, and it's not still going to be easy for those people who are just starting now. But it's all about consistency. Now, creating this content, there are things that you need to create this content. Number one thing I want to talk about is having your wireless microphone. So this is a wireless microphone. I have it now. One of it, get a wireless microphone. It's not really just about coming out and creating the content. It's about, are they hearing what you're saying? Are they hearing what you're saying? Is it audible? Is it fitted? Now, I have this wireless microphone. This is a pack of it. So this is a pack. There are two. One, two. One is already on my, I have one on my shirt right now. This is the second one. And there's another component again that is attached. That one is already attached to my phone. Okay, so now this is also important. You use it. It filters noise away, so you make it very easy for your audience or for the people that are listening to you to hear you out. It's also good. You use it. Okay, so this one, if you look at the product there, so this is a wireless lavalier microphone. I think I bought mine for, it's not for 10,000 or 12,000. I think I've been using it for a very long time. Even for interview, I've used it for several interviews, and it's working very fine for me. And my it filtered noise away very fine for me. So I've been using it for a very long time. Okay, so if you're starting, get this. Okay, get this. This is one of the tools you need to get as a content creator to filter away those noise. Okay, so make inquiry about it and find out if it's something that you can get. But if you can't get it, fine. But if you get it, fine. But to look more professional in what you do as a content creator, you need to get this. Okay, so this is it. These how it look like. Okay, so this is it. So once you get this, definitely you are prepared for content creating, and you can still charge it. It has a charger that is inside. So this is a charger. It has a charger that is inside. So this is a charger. That is a cord. Use a cord to charge it. It's chargeable, so mean you can use it over time. Sometimes in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I don't even charge it. Why? It lasts very long. You can use it up to like in a full week like this. You can use it. Why? Because I basically use two. So once I'm done with this one, I notice that this one is no longer on. I switch to the other one. So that's how I interchange it. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so with all this I've explained to you, this is one of the tools you need as a content creator. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. I still remain your humble teacher, Patrick. Bye bye.